Have you ever seen at the rate something and ignored it? That's a decorator, and it can change how your function behaves without touching its code. So what is a decorator? A decorator is a function that adds extra behavior to another function without modifying it. Let me give a simple example. Think you order coffee, order sugar or cream. Coffee is a function, sugar and cream are a decorator. Let me explain with the help of code. Let me create a function, say hello, then the code block print hello, and if I run my code, clear my terminal, save my file, run my code, I am getting nothing because I did not call the function. And if I call function, say hello, save my code, clear my terminal, run again, as you see I am getting hello. So if I want to add some extra behavior to this function, what I do, I will create a function def wrapper, and then inside this function I will print before, and then I will pass this inside this wrapper, and then print after. And if I call wrapper, save my code, clear my terminal, and run my code. See, before, then hello, then after. This code is not reusable and not scalable. Let me create this, change this code to the decorator, comment all my code, and here def my decorator def wrapper print before func, and I will pass here func, then print after. We understand what is this. This function is not a normal function, it is a decorator. It takes a function, add extra behavior, and returns a new function. Def my underscore decorator. This is a function, it takes another function as an input. We are passing input the another function which name is func. Let me pass my function, this one, say hello, run my call my function my underscore decorator, and I will pass say hello. We are basically passing say hello function inside this my underscore decorator. My underscore decorator takes say hello function, and def wrapper, this is a function inside a function. And keep in mind, Python allows nested functions. You will write function inside another function. This wrapper will add extra behavior and call original function. Then we have print, this run before original, and this line runs the original function, which is our say underscore hello, and then print after. If I run my code, then I am going to return wrapper. Then we want to store the result inside new func, and here new underscore func, and I will call this new func. Clear my terminal, run my code. As you see, I am getting before, hello, after. When we call my underscore decorator, it will return wrap. Instead of returning result, it returns a function which is wrapper. After calling this, it will return wrapper. So we have wrapper and we store inside new underscore func. Then we call new func. So let me apply the decorator with at the rate. Let me comment this line, and on this function def say hello. Here I will write my underscore decorator, and then I will call say hello, clear my terminal, run my code. As you see, I am getting before, hello, and after. This line is same as this one. I hope this will make sense for you.